Meaning of diverticulitis.
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 Diverticulitis. Diverticulitis is a condition that occurs when small pouches called diverticula that form in the lining of the digestive system become inflamed or infected. This can cause symptoms such as abdominal pain, cramping, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, and sometimes fever and chills. Treatment typically involves antibiotics, rest, and a special diet. In severe cases, hospitalization may be necessary. Complications can include abscesses, fistulas, bowel obstruction, and sepsis. Prevention strategies include eating a high-fiber diet, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and avoiding smoking and obesity.